Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable battery's super power saving mode and how to turn it off in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down a bit to the battery menu, and here at the top we have battery mode. By default we will have battery mode set to balanced, and here at the bottom we have super power saving mode. If we enable it, yes, the pop-up will pop up and we can turn it on right here. Now, how to turn it off? In the left top corner we have the exit button. We need to tap it once. Yes, please exit saving mode. And now we have our balance mode again. That's pretty much it. Goodbye.